It's a beautiful spring day today here in New York City. And I was lucky enough to stumble across this piece of wood destined for the trash bin.
I sleep with my windows open.
It has some stain marks, but I think we can turn it into something nice.
With my eyes closed.
Grateful that my super gives me access to the backyard of our unit so I can do some woodworking on my off hours.
My vision and nobody around me knows. Come into my quiet. There's no one else there.
This is our backyard.
Sometimes things are stuck on the window pane.
I start with some basic sanding using 80 grit on my random orbit sander. I'm working on the back here, just smoothing everything out, getting rid of the stains and smoothing over those jagged saw cuts that you see. This was probably an offcut from a countertop someone was installing.
Get you off my mind.
I end up going to 150, also on all sides, and then I hit the top only with 220.
Come into my hiding.
Here I want to make a plug for the song you're listening to. It's Come Inside by Where's Beth, off her lovely new album For My Mom and Other Lovers. I'm finishing the piece just with some boiled linseed oil. Put on one coat, wait 10-15 minutes, wipe off the excess.
Making up my mind.
With the finish done, we go inside. Hairpin legs are so easy to install, it's almost sad that I'm making a video about it. The first thing you do is put out the legs on your piece and mark the holes for pre-drilling. I set the drill depth using some painter's tape. Then I drill the holes and vacuum up the scraps. With pre-drilled holes, installing the screws is a breeze. And now we're done. Here you can see the finished product, staged in our living room. If I'm being honest, you could take just about any piece of wood you find on the street or in the dumpster and turn it into a mid-century modern coffee table with hairpin legs. In that sense, it's not too special, it's not innovative, but it is beautiful, and I'm happy with it. It's taking one piece of wood that was destined for the trash and turning it into something nice. Thanks for watching.